AI tools are evolving fast. We've seen them get smarter, more automated, more specialized. But Warm Wind just changed the game completely. They've launched what might be the first real AI operating system built specifically for cloud employees. AI agents that don't just generate text or process prompts, they actually work, real work. You open a browser, any browser, and within seconds, you're inside your own cloud workspace. No installs, no GPU configs, no local software, just you and your agents. And these agents don't wait around for API instructions. They actually see the screen, just like a human. They click, drag, type, scroll, and navigate complex tools as if they're sitting right at a desk. It's not theoretical. I saw it happen. 20 AI agents running in parallel, handling SaaS dashboards and even legacy desktop-style apps, all within the Warm Wind cloud. No lags, no crashes, no friction. They're calling this system AIOS, an AI operating system, and it lives entirely in the cloud. And when they say cloud employees, they mean it. These are intelligent agents, each with its own vision language model, trained to recognize buttons, understand workflows, and operate across tools without needing an API. No need to build custom integrations. If a human can do it, the agent can too. Here's how it works. To set up a task, you switch the agent into teaching mode. Walk it through the process once, like uploading invoices, scheduling posts, or analyzing data, while describing the logic behind your actions. Add a few prompt guidelines, save the workflow, and that's it. From then on, the agent runs that task independently. Even when your laptop is shut down, they keep going, because everything runs inside Warm Wind's cloud infrastructure. And you're not limited to 1 or 2 agents. You can scale from 1 to 10,000 agents instantly. I tested 20 agents working at once, 0 downtime. In their official demo, one workflow showed an agent pulling CSV files from 3 different CRMs, merging them, posting the result into Google Sheets, and pushing it all into Tableau, automatically. No supervision. That's just one template. They've built a library of roles that you can launch instantly. Let's start with their AI social media growth manager. This agent tracks trending hashtags and audio, generates posts with visual content, schedules them at peak times, and runs A/B tests on different captions, all autonomously. The only time you intervene is if something doesn't align with your brand. Then there's the customer support agent. It monitors live chat, email, WhatsApp, and Instagram DMs. When I tested it, I sent a vague message, "Where's my package?" Within 10 seconds, it tracked the order, pulled shipping info, and even offered a discount code because the package was stuck in customs. That's full issue resolution, without human interaction. There's also an agent for competitive intelligence. It follows competitors on social media, monitors how often they post, tracks engagement, identifies product launches, and generates daily PDF reports. It even flags unusual spikes in activity for you. And if you're in accounting, that's covered too. I uploaded scanned paper invoices, not clean PDFs, actual blurry scans, and the invoice bot matched them with purchase orders, logged journal entries, set payment reminders, and generated a full P&L report in QuickBooks. All hands off. Hiring? The recruiting agent reviews resumes, matches candidates to job descriptions, checks GitHub and LinkedIn activity, and schedules interviews. In one test, I watched it analyze a developer's portfolio, send a coding task, and book an interview in one smooth flow. The DevOps agent monitors uptime, web vitals, and service status. It alerts the team if performance drops, records the issue, and shares the video replay in Slack. That replaces a full SRE alerting pipeline. Then there's the Innovation Scout. Every night, it crawls Product Hunt, Crunchbase, patent feeds, and dev forums, then summarizes new tools, funding activity, and relevant launches. The moment you log in the next morning, it's all waiting in your inbox. Let's talk architecture. This isn't just one big model, it's an operating system with multiple layers, a scheduler, a permission system, and a secure execution sandbox for each agent. Think of it as Kubernetes for workflows, but without the config nightmares. Security is tight. Every agent runs in an isolated container with encrypted credentials and strict permission scopes. So if a finance agent somehow tries to DM someone on Instagram, the OS blocks it immediately and alerts you. I tested this by feeding it a malicious prompt to leak data to Pastebin. It was blocked instantly, and the whole attempt was logged for audit review. There's also shared memory between agents. So if your social media agent flags a frustrated customer, your support agent already knows when that same person reaches out. That kind of cross-agent awareness gives you something APIs struggle to offer: seamless collaboration between bots. And then there's the real-time dashboard. You can watch each agent screen, check CPU and memory usage, and see logs in real time. If a UI changes, maybe a button moves or a field gets renamed, you just hop in, correct the flow once, and the agent updates its behavior immediately. No downtime, no retraining. During testing, I ran 100 tasks across 6 SaaS tools. Uptime, 99.98%. Average training time per workflow, 4 minutes. And that's with prompts included. Their App Store supports Slack, Notion, Google Workspace, Xero, and even Windows-based apps that usually require virtualization. Everything runs inside the AIOS cloud. It felt like a fast, lightweight remote desktop, but it wasn't me controlling it. The agent was doing all the work. As for latency, actions like typing, clicking, or dragging happen at roughly human speed. In one benchmark, a process that normally takes 4 minutes finished in 2.5. And since you can clone agents, if your business spikes, say during a product launch or a sale, you just duplicate agents. They're live in seconds. This isn't just a tool for large companies either. Solo founders, media teams, startups, even individual creators can benefit from Warm Wind. There's no need for Zapier chains, Python scripts, or external consultants. If your job happens on a screen, Warm Wind can learn it and automate it. One of the lead engineers, Richard, said it clearly. Everything runs fully in the cloud. Nothing touches your machine. No drivers, no hidden processes. And the visual model isn't based on generic OCR. It's purpose-built for real-world interfaces. They're working on voice commands and session replays for the future. But right now, they're focused on reliability and performance, and they've nailed both. The waitlist is now open at warmwind.space. Early access is rolling out in waves. If you're curious, you can check out their full demo walkthrough on YouTube or live clips on Instagram at warmwind.oat. If you're a creator or team lead and think Warm Wind could help streamline your workflows, from media imports to customer engagement, reach out. Their team is actively helping early testers implement real-world use cases. And yes, this spotlight is sponsored, but every demo clip, especially from minute 4 onward, was recorded live. No editing, no post-processing, just cloud agents doing their job from start to finish. So here's the question. If you had your own team of AI agents, what would you hand off first? Join the waitlist. Start testing. The future of work is already happening, and it's running inside your browser.